Welcome students. This is fifth part of important MCQs of environmental studies. Course code is 22447. First question is, the most abundantly available fossil fuel in India is, first option coal, second natural gas, third petroleum, fourth oil, and the answer is A, that is coal. Second question is, hydroelectric power produces electricity using first wind, second solar, third moving water, and fourth is dung. And the answer is C, that is moving water. Which of the following is not under the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy? Wind energy, solar energy, tidal energy, and large hydro, and the answer is D, that is large hydro. How many forms of fossil fuels are there? First is 1, second is 2, third is 3, and fourth is 4, and the answer is C, that is 3 forms of fossil fuel. The most efficient energy conversion occurs in tidal power station, diesel engines, solar panels, hydroelectric power stations, and the answer is D, that is hydroelectric power stations. The main composition of biogas is first methane gas, second carbon dioxide, third nitrogen, fourth hydrogen, and the answer is A, that is methane gas. The hydroelectric power, in hydroelectric power, what is necessary for the production of power throughout the year? Dams filled with water, high amount of air, high intense sunlight, and nuclear power. And the answer is A, that is dams filled with water. Which ministry is mainly responsible for research and development in renewable energy sources such as wind? First is Human Resource Development, second is Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, third is Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, and fourth is Health and Family Welfare, and answer is C, that is Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. It is responsible for research and development. Which among the following have a large number of installed grid interactive renewable power capacity in India? First is wind power, second is solar power, third is biomass power, and fourth is small hydro power. And the answer is A, that is wind power. The difference in temperature between the core of the planet and its surface is known as, first, geothermal coefficient, second, geothermal gradient, third, geothermal constant, and fourth is none. And the answer is B, that is geothermal gradient. Which of the following is a disadvantage of renewable energy? First is high pollution, second is available only in few places, third is high running cost, and fourth is unreliable supply. And the answer is D, that is unreliable supply. In which of the following region winds are stronger and constant? First is desert, second is offshore, third is low altitude side, and fourth is all of the above, and answer is B, that is offshore. Biomass can be converted to first methane gas, second ethanol, third biodiesel, and fourth all of the above, and the answer is D, that is all of the above. Photovoltaic cell converts solar energy into heat energy, second is mechanical energy, third is electrical energy, and fourth is chemical energy, and the answer is C, that is electrical energy. Energy in the form of heat and light is obtained by first biomass, second fossil fuel, third sun, and fourth is wind. And the answer is C, that is sun. Trapped heat inside the earth is known as heat energy, geothermal energy, kinetic energy, thermal energy. And the answer is B, that is geothermal energy is trapped heat. SI unit of energy is joule, watt, kilogram or Newton, and the answer is A, that is joule. Common energy source in Indian villages is first electricity, second coal, third sun, and fourth wood and animal dung. And the answer is D, that is wood and animal dung. Which among the following is not an adverse environmental impact of tidal power generation? First option is interference with spring and migration of fish. Second, pollution and health hazard in the estuary due to blockage of flow polluted water into the sea. Third is navigational hazard, and fourth is none. And the answer is D, that is none.